Hi there, Karan here. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can install BatCenter in Windows 7. Right now if I'll open CMD here, as in the previous video you might have noticed I have given the demo to install it in Windows 10, which is quite straight process. You just need to copy a command from GitHub and paste it in the terminal or CMD, and then it will take care of everything. So the font size is quite small. I will increase it for you, and if I'll open CMD now, awesome. So now if I'll write here bat, you can see it is not a recognized command, same as CMD bkg, and let's try third one, bat box. So for now let's try these, and there is another one, button. Let's try button. Button is also not an internal command, so these commands are not there available, but we will install them one by one. So let's start with installing BatCenter first. If I will go to my GitHub account, or you will go to GitHub and then GitHub/Batchman. Under the Batchman you will find BatCenter repository. You just need to go down, and here you will find this utility will help you to search, download and install. Oh wow, let's try again. Server not, oh okay, it was not looking for right thing. And you can search for C details about them before downloading, and there is a kind of a screenshot of it, and here is a video of Windows 10 actually. So for Windows 10 you just need to copy this command and paste it in the CMD and press enter, and it will take care of everything. And you should watch that video. And if you are using Windows 7 like me right now, so download and install script from the following link. This is the link. You just need to right click on it and save target as. If you will click directly, it will open the code for you, but oh right, I have changed it, sorry about it. I have changed it. Now it is a zip file, so it will directly come to you in front of it. So if I'll click here save file, and okay, I will open the folder and right click, extract. Nice. So you can see here there is a script BatCenter install, which is 123 kilobytes, which is quite big. I need to check it first. I will also recommend you, before you do anything with the script, always open it and check it. And it is saying something like it is trying to check if the download is available in the system or not, the curl command. And extraction, okay, I will not talk about the installation script here. You can see it has a lot of hex code, which is just requirement for getting the necessary plugins, so it can easily do all the things without you taking too much of stress about it. No, do not run it as administrator. It does not require administrator. Just open the script. Waiting for 1 second. Okay, it says seems like you are using older system. Please wait while we are getting the required files. And in the background you can see it is right now getting curl from the server. Downloaded succeed, and then for some reason curl also needs a certificate to work standalone in Windows, so it is downloading that as well. Okay, now it has done a lot of things, and it is fetching files from the server. And meanwhile we are talking here, it has already downloaded the BatCenter files, and you can see here cleaning mess, setting up BatCenter. Now it is checking for internet connection, which is okay, and hosts.txt file is getting updated, and everything is right now like happening on its own. I do not have to do anything. I just need to run the file, and awesome. So it seems like it has done everything, and it is closed. There is nothing in the temp folder. I will also delete this script as well as this folder. No need of it. Yep, delete. And I will minimize this as well. And now if I'll write here bat again, boom, it is installed. Because in the first attempt you can see bat is not recognized command, but here I have given bat again, and it is now getting recognized. For some reason, if it is not getting recognized, I will recommend you to just click here and click on log off and then log in back again, and everything will be working fine. Then if you will close this and suppose I am logged in now, if I'll open CMD and then if I'll write bat, awesome, I have a new command in my system which will help me to download the batch plugins from selected sources. So you do not need to worry about its authenticity because I am managing it, and all the sources are genuine, selected sources are genuine, but you can also add your own sources. So you can see here we have some commands and parameters. So you can use here update to update the database of BatCenter. You can list all of the currently available plugins. Search, you can search for particular plugin by its name or keywords. Install, you can install it in your system, and you can also just see the details. And in case if you want to remove all the plugins, just write bat reset, it will delete all the installed plugins and you will just have bat command then. If you also want to remove bat from your system, you want to completely erase everything that BatCenter has done to your system, just call this command with all parameter. So everything is mentioned here, it's explained properly here. So let's see how it works in action. Help is just a standard way, and then you can also check for version. Okay, so I will write here CLS. Oh, okay, can I type here? Okay, I'm not sure what is happening. Control C is a good way. CLS, yep. Okay, so let's try for in the beginning we search for CMD BKG. Let's search. Let me first show you that CMD BKG is not there, and bat search CMD BKG, and you can see there is one result at index 32. So in the beginning you can see index, and let's use the index to see the details. Bat detail 32, simple and awesome. So it is saying it is CMD BKG 1.0 by Mysol 101, and it is from the BA team. Index local ID is 32. It can change depending on the current system, and it is created on this date, updated on this one. This is the branch, this is the size. Okay, let's try to install CMD BKG quickly. I will just write CLS here and I will write bat. Instead of details, I will write here install 32. You can also write CMD BKG if you want, CMD BKG, or you can also write the number, index number. I will write CMD BKG. So if there is only one unique result, so it is working fine. So it is like, say, you can see my internet speed is trash, but it is about 2 MBs, so it is almost done by now. And awesome, now you have, let me clear the screen and let's try CMD BKG now. Awesome, it has not given any error this time. Let's try to see the help menu. Awesome, it is working. Now it is an internal command. We have installed CMD BKG. So it says it needs a file name, that is a BMP file, and a transparency number. Okay, so let me go to my D drive quickly. I will go to Cloud Patchman Designing. Let's use this, right click, edit, and let's resize this to reduce its size half, and then we will save it as BMP on our desktop. Let's do that. So let's give it a shortest name, a.bmp, and then so that is it will be easier for us to write it. So I saved it on desktops. Let's change directory to desktop, and let's try CMD BKG space, file name is a.bmp, and then I will give a transparency number of 50, or let's say 80 is good. Oh, nice. But you can see here CMD is almost transparent, but there is a background here. So I will do one thing, I will give a transparency number of 30. Awesome. Now you can see I can move it around and there is a background in the CMD console. So if you will see how it is, why it is, so bat detail, CMD BKG, you will see that it set any BMP image as a permanent CMD background. So that is how CMD BKG works. Okay, so there is BatBox. No, BatBox is not installed. So let's install BatBox now. Bat install BatBox. Let's see. Oh, it says multiple results found. Please refine your search. Do you want to see details? Yes, I want. Okay, a lot of results are there. So okay, I do not want to do like this. It is very messy now. So what I can do is, instead of install directly, I can write here search. So bat search BatBox. Yep, it gave me a cleaner result now. So it gave me 4 results without too much of details. And I see by DarkBatcher, I see an awesome plugin. I will just use this one, number 12, and I have a strong reason for that. Because there is a test file that we can directly test. So bat install 12. Nice, perfect. BatBox is installed. So let's CLS, right here BatBox, no error. So let's try that. BatBox / C 0 cross 0A. I told you that there is a test file in the BatBox repository, but I haven't used that. So how good is that? So /D, I will write here hello world. So hello space, then with a second color, let's say OC, and then data is world. So let's see how it works. If I press enter now, perfect. So you can see here hello world is in 2 different colors, and after that I forgot to change the color actually. So let's try BatBox. Let's change the color back to 0 cross 07, so everything will be normal. Okay, awesome. So let me try that once again. I forgot here one thing. I see 0 cross 07, that is all. And if I press enter now, so you can see I can print colored output on the CMD screen with the help of BatBox. And awesome. So there is no button function as well. So you can see button is not there. So let's search for it. Bat search button. And 2 results are found, button function 1.0 and 2.0. Let me first make the screen big. 120, 40 is good, which is quite large now for the screen. But no worries, I can reduce that. I can make it 35. Yeah, almost complete screen. That's good. So bat search a button we have already done, but I do not know what was the index. I forgot. So let's try that directly. Bat install. I know that button is there and 2.0 is there. So button 2.0 by KVC. You can also write broken keywords as well. And yeah, I know that button 2.0 will give a unique result. So I'll press enter. Yep, button 2.0 is getting downloaded. Awesome. It is extracted now. So there you can see in the extracted files, that is why I changed the size. So you can see here this test.bat file. So we can use that one as well. That also became a part of our internal commands, but temporarily, not permanently. Although button has become our permanent internal command. You can remove all the temporary installed plugins that we will talk about later in the end of the video. But let's try test.bat. Test.bat. Perfect. So you can see here it has loaded 6 buttons, but for some reason, because of the bug of the button function, I'm not sure, it is not displaying the text on the screen. But it is, I am assuming this is first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6th button, and the text is coming here for some reason, not sure why. So I assume that button 1 is overwritten by this. Okay, no worries. Let's click here. Awesome. It says you clicked button 2. Let's click this one. I think it will say 6. Yeah, you clicked button 6. So you can make interactive programs with this button function. I have made that, but for some reason it is broken. I will fix that. No worries. Okay, let's press Ctrl C to come out of this. Yep, CLS. Okay, let's change the title first because it has changed it permanently. %CD %. Yep, whatever it is. So We can also check button function, how it uses. So I'll just write button and enter. It gives you a help menu, and there must be an example here, item 1, item 2. So it's saying X, Y, color and button text. In the end you need to specify X and all these things. Okay, no worries. I will go for graph function now quickly. So there is no graph function installed. Bat search for graph. It gave me two results, graph function 1.0 and 2.0. All the things are common, but 1.0 and 2.0 is not common. So I will use graph 2.0 keyword. Bat graph 2.0. Yeah, it gave me a unique result, which is 64 index number. So let's use that. Bat we can also just replace here search with install. That's all. No need to see for the index number. You just need a unique result, and it's installed. Now let's CLS. Let's try graph. Okay, it gives you some, instead of error it gave you some output, but there is a bug with the internal bug of the graph function. No worries, it has all the files. You just need to use, let's use the example, and let's open another CMD and paste that command, example command, and press enter. Wow, awesome. So you can see there is a small graph. This is X and this is X and this is Y, and this is the line, a straight line, because 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, these are the coordinates we gave it. And yeah, I think this is good. We can also do something fishy here. Let's try paste. Let's try 25, 25, 25, 30. Let's write a off point, and then let's go to 0, 0, 50, and then go 50. Instead of 50 we'll go 25, 25, then we go 50, 0. Let's see. Oh wow. So you can see it goes here, then turn there, and it is highlighting all the points by a different color with a red color, although the lines which are connecting them is green. Oh, okay, quite a crazy graph. You can also create parabolas and all with this one. And okay, awesome. So this is one of the older projects, and this is how you can just install BatCenter quickly and simply install rest of the tools very quickly just from the command prompt. And suppose this is not your computer, you have done a lot of stuff here that you are not supposed to do and after that you want to remove it. So if you want to remove internal commands, just write reset. So what this will do is bat reset will reset BatCenter to its initial state. So if you press enter, and okay, it says, it gives you some crazy output, and after that it is almost reset now. So all the plugins that we have installed in last 15 minutes are gone. So let it do its job first. It is just updating the database so that it is a fresh install. I will press CLS. As you can see, CMD BKG is still working. That is why it gave access denied error, because CMD BKG is still active. So for that CMD, you can instead of CMD BKG, because it will already be available, CMD BKG, if I'll write, it will remove that. And if you will give initial command of CMD BKG, which was this, it will still work, because it is not removed actually when you did reset, because CMD BKG was in use. And now if you will reset, let's reset now, done, it's gone. So it is doing it now completely a new install of BatCenter. And suppose you want that no one knows that you have installed, you do not want that anyone know that you have installed BatCenter in your system, in their system actually. So for that you can just write bat reset all. So before I demonstrate the usage of that, let's try BatBox. We have installed BatBox, it's not there now. We have installed button, it's not there. Graph, not there. No, graph. And then we installed other commands, I forgot. CMD BKG, one of them, it's not even now there because we have reset it to initial state. And now let's try to remove BatCenter. batteries at all. Awesome. So it gave you some errors because it is trying to delete its own path. No worries about it. Removing BatCenter from path, it's done. Awesome. Let's try that. BatCenter is not recognized. Done. It's gone. Everything is gone. Batbox, BatCenter, and it's now quite a same system which was earlier before you installed BatCenter in it. So I hope you like this one. I will add a lot of features in it, and if you have any suggestion, please feel free to give it to me. I will try to upgrade BatCenter as much as possible. I just wanted to make it a powerful tool so that you can easily use it in your projects. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.